Welcome to Easy Driver. In this video, we'll look into the essential subject of proper tire storage. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a vehicle owner, knowing how to store your tires correctly is crucial for their longevity and performance. From cleaning and inspection to selecting the right storage location, we've got you covered with these tips. So, let's get started, and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for more valuable automotive information. A few tips for proper tire storage. Proper tire storage is crucial in maintaining their longevity and performance. In this video, we will provide you with a few tips on how to store your tires correctly, ensuring their safety and durability. Let's dive in and explore the best practices for tire storage. Why proper tire storage is important. Proper tire storage is crucial for maintaining the performance and longevity of your tires. Many people overlook this aspect and end up experiencing premature tire wear, reduced traction, and even safety hazards. Let's explore the impact of improper tire storage on tire performance and highlight the benefits of storing your tires correctly. The impact of improper tire storage on tire performance. Improper tire storage can have detrimental effects on the overall performance of your tires. When tires are not stored correctly, they can develop deformities, cracks, and flat spots. This can result in an uneven tread wear pattern, reduced grip on the road, and increased chances of hydroplaning. Tires that are exposed to extreme temperatures, sunlight, moisture, or chemicals can also experience accelerated deterioration. Neglecting proper storage practices can lead to the breakdown of tire compounds, causing them to lose their flexibility and grip. Ultimately, this can compromise the safety and handling of your vehicle. Benefits of proper tire storage. 1. Extended tire lifespan. Storing your tires properly can significantly extend their lifespan. By protecting them from harmful elements, you can prevent premature aging, cracking, and deterioration. This means you won't have to replace your tires as frequently, saving you money in the long run. 2. Preserved performance. Properly stored tires maintain their optimal performance characteristics. When tires are stored in a controlled environment, away from direct sunlight, excessive heat, and moisture, they retain their original shape, tread depth, and flexibility. This ensures consistent traction, handling, and braking performance, contributing to a safer and smoother driving experience. 3. Cost savings. Investing in proper tire storage techniques can save you money by avoiding unnecessary tire repairs or replacements. When tires are stored incorrectly, they are more prone to damage and wear, requiring you to replace them sooner. Additionally, well-maintained tires ensure optimal fuel efficiency, reducing your overall expenses on gas. 4. Safety. Properly stored tires provide enhanced safety on the road. Tires with irregular wear patterns or compromised grip pose a higher risk of accidents, especially in adverse weather conditions. By storing your tires correctly, you ensure their structural integrity and reduce the chances of unexpected tire failures or blowouts. So, proper tire storage is essential for maintaining the performance, safety, and longevity of your tires. By storing them in a cool, dry place away from sunlight, extreme temperatures, and harmful chemicals, you can extend their lifespan, preserve their performance, and ensure a safer driving experience. By following these simple storage guidelines, you can protect your investment and enjoy the full benefits of your tires. Tips for proper tire storage. Proper tire storage is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your tires. By following a few simple steps, you can ensure that your tires are well preserved and ready for use when you need them. In this section, we will discuss some effective tips for proper tire storage. Clean and inspect the tires. Before storing your tires, it's important to clean them thoroughly. Use a mild detergent and water to remove any dirt, debris, or brake dust. Avoid using harsh chemicals or solvents as they can damage the rubber. Once cleaned, inspect the tires for any signs of damage or wear. Look for bulges, cuts, or punctures, and if you notice any issues, it's best to get them repaired or replaced before storage. Choose the right storage location. Selecting the appropriate storage location is crucial for maintaining the condition of your tires. Ideally, the storage area should be cool, dry, and well ventilated. Extreme temperatures, excessive humidity, and direct sunlight can all cause damage to the rubber compounds and accelerate tire deterioration. Consider using a garage, basement, or climate-controlled storage facility to ensure optimal storage conditions. Use tire covers or bags. Using tire covers or bags can provide an extra layer of protection during storage. These covers help shield the tires from sunlight and dust, preventing them from drying out or becoming damaged. When choosing tire covers, opt for ones specifically designed for this purpose, as they are often made from breathable materials that allow moisture to escape while keeping dirt out. Store tires upright or suspended. When storing tires, it's advisable to either stack them upright or suspend them. Stacking the tires upright helps maintain their shape and prevents stress on the sidewalls. Additionally, consider rotating the position of the tires periodically to prevent uneven pressure. If suspension storage is preferred, use appropriate tire racks or hooks to keep the tires off the ground and avoid deformation. Rotate tires regularly. Rotating your stored tires on a regular basis is essential for preventing flat spots and maintaining even wear. Plan to rotate the position of the tires every few months to distribute the weight evenly. This practice also helps prevent sidewall cracking and tire distortion. Keep a record of the rotation schedule to ensure consistency and maximize tire lifespan. By following these tips for proper tire storage, you can prolong the life of your tires and maintain their performance. Taking the time to clean, inspect, and store your tires correctly will pay off in the long run, allowing you to enjoy safe and reliable rides whenever you need them. Common mistakes to avoid. When it comes to storing your tires, it's important to avoid certain common mistakes that can lead to damage and decrease the longevity of your tires. By taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure that your tires stay in good condition, ready to be used when needed. In this section, we will discuss 4 common mistakes to avoid when storing your tires. Storing tires near heat sources. One of the most crucial mistakes to avoid is storing your tires near heat sources. Exposure to extreme heat can cause the rubber in the tires to degrade and deteriorate faster than normal. To prevent this, make sure to keep your tires away from direct sunlight, radiators, furnaces, or any other sources of heat. Instead, choose a cool, dry, and well-ventilated area for tire storage. Leaving tires exposed to sunlight. Leaving your tires exposed to sunlight for extended periods can have negative effects as well. UV rays and excessive heat can cause the rubber to dry out and crack over time. To prevent this, it is best to store your tires in a dark, shaded area. If this is not possible, consider using tire covers or opaque bags to shield the tires from direct sunlight. Neglecting to check tire pressure. Another common mistake is neglecting to check tire pressure before storing it. Over time, tires naturally lose air pressure, and storing them with insufficient pressure can lead to flat spots or even tire deformation. Before storing your tires, always check the manufacturer's recommended tire pressure and inflate them accordingly. It's also a good practice to periodically check the pressure during storage to ensure they stay properly inflated. Thank you for tuning in to Easy Driver. We've just shared crucial insights into proper tire storage. Stay with us for part 2, where we'll explore common tire storage questions and more valuable tips to maintain your tires. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos.